Good morning, children. Soni ma'am here. Now we are dealing with the topic tenses, which is very common. You all have done this topic since your middle classes. Now, according to that, I hope you all might be knowing what are tenses. Tense is nothing but time. The time when action takes place. And to show the action, what helps us? The verbs help us to know. So verb form shows action. So tense is nothing but a time. Now according to that, there are three types of tenses. You all know that: present tense, past tense, future tense. Now whatever is going on right now, we call it present. What has been done, past. What we are going to do is future. Now, every type of tense has four parts. To understand this, we should know how present tense has indefinite, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. The same way, past also has four parts: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Now, same way, future also has four parts: future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. So, when every type of tense has four parts, altogether, how many parts there are? There are total 12 parts of tenses. Now, to understand these 12 parts of tenses, we should know the concept of a sentence. Now, I hope you all know what is a sentence. It is a group of words which make complete sense. Now, what are those group of words? We call them subject, verb, object. Now, so the one part which is called subject. Now, which words do we use at the place of subject? At the place of subject, we use noun or pronoun. Now then, what about verb? There are different types of verbs, and then at the place of object, again we use noun or pronoun. Now when we talk about sentence, how many types of sentences are there? Generally there are 6 type of sentences, but we in normal routine we use 3 type of tenses. They are affirmative, negative and interrogative. Now my dear children, to understand the structure of a sentence and the tenses, we should also know the role or the concept of verb, which plays an important role in a tense, because verb form is the only part which tells us in which tense we are writing, speaking, or we want to express. Now let's quickly have the look over the concept of verb. Now verb, you all know, action doing words are called verb. There are two types of verbs: main verb and helping verb. Now main verb is again further having two parts: singular and plural. Now which verbs are singular? The verbs which add with them s or es, they are called singular verb, and the verbs which do not take any s or es, they are called plural verb. Now then we talk about helping verb. What are helping verb? The verbs which help to convey the action to the main verb, they are called helping verb. Further, they are again of three parts: divided into three parts, that is singular, plural and common. Now why they are called singular? Because they are used with singular subject. In present tense, the singular verbs are is, am, does, has, and the in past it is was. Now for the present tense, when the subject is plural, the plural verbs are, do, have, and in past tense we have were. Now here the next one is common verb. Why they are called common? Because they can be used in any subject, with any subject, whether it is singular or plural, and both are of past time period. One is did and one is had. Now you might be thinking how to make out which verbs will take s or es when we are using them with the singular subject. Now let's look to the next part, concept of verb with s or es when we are using with singular subject. Now there is one more rule, you may say, that you should know, that verbs which end the verbs which end with following letters always take s or es with them. Now for example, the verb which ends with o, sh, ch, double s, x, z, y, they always take with them s or they take only es. Now for example, the verb which ends with o, like go, when we use them with singular subject it becomes goes. Do, it becomes does. Now next example for sh, suppose wash, if we are using it with singular it becomes washes. Then with ch ending, teach, it becomes teaches. Now then next example with double s, miss. I hope you know what is miss. When you lose something, when you miss your class, when you miss your bus, when you remember something is called miss. If we use it with singular subject it becomes misses. Now fix ending with x, it also adds es. Now z at the last, buzz, when we are using it with singular it becomes buzzes. For example, your doorbell buzzes, your mobile buzzes, the bees buzz. So like that it should be verb. Now the concept for why, which is little bit different from the previous one. If the verb is ending with y, it changes into I and adds es with it. If consonant is used before y, I hope you know what are consonants. The alphabets other than vowel are called consonant. Then the y changes into I and es is added. But if before y vowel is there, then y does not change, only s is added. For example, cry, it is a verb, before y consonant r is there, so when we will use it with singular subject, y will change into I and es will be added. Next example, fly, again consonant before y changes into I, es is added. Next example, try, again consonant before y, it changes into I and es is added. But when there is vowel before y, it does not change, only s is added. Plays, say, again vowel, says. Buy, again vowel, buy. This concept is very important for you children to understand before dealing with the tenses or before writing any sort of sentence. In next video, we'll continue with the type of parts of the tenses along with different type of sentences, and then the role of verbs in the tenses. Till then, thank you, goodbye, take care.